What if you could create a custom soundtrack for your business in under 5 minutes? Think of something you could use in your podcast, your videos, your ads, or your Instagram reel. Not stock music like every other business. Not a $5,000 jingle either. I'm talking about your own original music that actually connects with your audience. Here's the thing. You already know music works, but between expensive composers or bland stock tracks, custom music has always been out of reach until now. The AI tool I'm about to show you is going to completely change how you think about music in your marketing. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the AI app Suno to revolutionize how you use music in your marketing. I'm going to show you around the app, show you what you can expect, and show you a few practical use cases of how I'm using AI music in my marketing. So let's talk about what Suno is. If you go to suno.com, you will be met with essentially a music site. And just scrolling down the home page, you will see song after song after song, and it hits all the different genres and all the different ways. And there are artists here, and there are people creating AI music all over the place. And you can too. You can actually get started with Suno with a free account. Though you will be limited on the features and the types of models you can use. Shoot, for $10, you can get access to their pro features and have the rights to use it, but we'll talk a little bit about that later. You can go ahead and sample as many AI music generations as you want on their homepage, but that's not why we're here. We are here to go over to the creators section where we can actually make our own music. And it's so powerful that let me prove it to you by showing you how it can make music even with something like the terms and conditions from Social Media Examiner. Watch, I'm just going to copy and paste of this legal jargon we have on our terms and conditions page and then throw it into the lyrics section here. I don't need to change. There's all kinds of features here. I'm just going to skip over them and put lyrics and then I put style. I'm going to make this trap rap. Now, that's not very descriptive. So they actually give you a little magic button here if you want to spice it up a little bit and make it more specific of a style or genre. So it's going to go ahead and make some modifications and make it more specific. That's kind of nice if I want to go back later and actually make edits to it. If I don't like the synth or if I don't like the 808 bass and snappy hi-hats, I'm not even sure what that is because I'm not a musician. So it's gone ahead and expanded on my style. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name called Terms, and we're going to go ahead and click Create. Now, every time you push Create in Suno, it gives you 2 tracks. You can actually push Create multiple times in order to get, 4, 6, or 8 tracks at a time so that you can experiment and listen to lots of variations. That's the fun part about Suno. So it takes about 30 seconds for it to render just the first part of each of the songs you just rendered, and then it takes a little bit longer to render out the full song. But even with just 30 seconds while I've been talking, we can go ahead and listen to the first iteration. So let's take a listen.
By accessing or attempting to interact with any part of this website or other software services. Understand. Do not access. Time to time.
So that was pretty good. Now, spoke the first part of it and then got into the trap rap a little bit later. But it depends on what you want, right? I could go back and try to play with the styles or the lyrics in order to get it to do what I wanted. But again, it gave me 2. So let's see what number 2 came out like.
And by accessing or attempting to interact with any part of this website. The information you provided.
So you can see, even with that quick demonstration, with terms and conditions, legal copy as the lyrics, and me just putting in trap rap and using the magic expander to expand on it, we got something that sounded pretty good. So imagine what you could do if you put a little bit of time and thought into what you wanted to actually sound like. That is the power of Suno. It is practically a lyricist, band, and producer and music mixer all in one, and it goes much deeper than that. So you might be leaning in and thinking, well, damn, how could the music really be that good? Let me tell you, you're not going to be winning any Grammys with this music. But for marketers, that's not what we were shooting for anyway. We were shooting for original soundtracks that we used to enhance our brand. So let me show you a track we made at Social Media Examiner for our social media marketing audience. You'll be surprised.
The alarm rings softly. It's 5:04. She's up before the world starts knocking on her door.
And there you go. We made this whole song for our audience, and it worked tremendously well. So while this might not replace Hans Zimmer on a Super Bowl ad, It's shockingly good for your business use cases. So now let me show you a few ways that I'm using it practically. But before I do, I wanted to tell you about the AI Business Society. Because if you want to master AI, sure, you could go and watch 100 YouTube videos and figure it all out by yourself, but you know you can learn so much faster if you do it within a community. In fact, I've already done a couple live trainings on this very tool where we were able to test things out live together and use Suno to see how we could be using it for our businesses. Think about how much faster you could be learning AI if you had a community to learn alongside other marketers and business leaders just like you who might just be a few steps ahead of you that could offer the tip you need in order to break through in learning how to apply it to your business. You could try the AI Business Society risk-free. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just click the link below in the description and find out for yourself. So now let me show you the 3 practical ways that I'm using Suno to enhance my marketing. Starting with the easiest one of all, using it to replace the generic audio you had in the background of your videos. You can see I made a collection of shorts at Social Media Examiner called the Dollar Marketer. Here, I'll play a few seconds for you. Is it possible to use a dollar pack of googly eyes to market the world's largest social media conference? Let's find out. Did you tell the music? It's a genre called electric swing. It's fun, it's bouncy, it matches the tone of the video. But when I found one track, I was like, I need more just like this, but I couldn't find any. But luckily, with Suno, I was able to make a whole library to use for more videos of this Dollar Marketer series. So I went and found the prompt that I needed and then created a whole library of them. Here, see how they sound. And now you can see that I had a whole collection of tracks that fit perfectly with the series of video I was making called the Dollar Marketer. But that's not all you can do. You can make the video about the actual song. Yes, you could make original content, almost like music videos, but for social media. At Social Media Examiner, we did exactly that around Christmas time of last year. Take a look at this one.
On the 12th hour of Christmas, my job gave to me 12 trending TikToks, 11 comments trolling, 10 bots are spamming, 9 DMs sliding, 8 tweets to schedule.
You can see all that music was made directly within Suno. All I did afterwards was act out the scene and cut it to the music. But if you don't want to get in front of the camera like I do, you can use typography in order to be the star of the lyrics for your video. Let me show you one I did where it was an LLM rap battle between ChatGPT and Claude.
Yo, I'm ChatGPT, the king of this tech rap scene. I drop multimodal bars while you just play it clean. Stuck in safe mode with ethics on repeat. Claude, you're a timid whisper while I bring the heat.
Using music can be a gold mine for social content for your brand. Because while there's a lot of great music out there, is anybody making music for your particular audience? Is anybody making music for the accountants that you sell to, or the landscape gardeners that maybe you have a service for? Whatever your audience is anybody making tracks for them? Things to lighten their day, things to make them smile, things that communicate that you understand what they're going through. Think about how you can use music to connect with them more on an emotional level. Suno can make short clips, it can make long clips, and it can make medium-sized clips, and all kinds of lengths of music from 5 seconds all the way down to 8 or 10 minutes long. And you can even extend it to go farther if you so desire. So one last thing that you got to know before you make music with Suno is who owns the rights to the music. Well, there's 2 different ways. If you're on a free account, they own the rights to the music. You can make as much music as you want as long as it stays on their platform. But if you play for a pro account or higher, you actually own the commercial rights to the music. So while Suno still maintains some rights, you can use it legally in all your different marketing content. Shoot, you could even distribute it to places like Apple and Spotify if you want to have your own brand's track out there for people to listen to. Always make sure to check out the terms and conditions with your legal team in case you have questions about what they're doing right now by the time you're watching this video. But for the most part, if you pay for it, you get to use it. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the AI tool Claude to write copy so persuasive your landing pages will sell your next album.